Welcome back to our beginner's art lesson on creating a stunning sunset scene using oil pastels. For this project, you will need oil pastel, paper, tissue paper or cotton cloth, masking tape and a 10B pencil. Let's start by choosing warm colors: deep yellow, orange, primary red, dark violet, black and white. Begin by lightly sketching the horizon line, body of water, trees, and dark hills on both sides. This is a circle cut out of paper tape and pasted on the horizon line. It will block the colors to keep it as paper white to enhance the brightness of the sun. Now use deep yellow around the sun and below it on the water body. Take care to keep the reflection of the sun as white on the body of water. Now use orange color above yellow around the sun. And use similar color on the water also, because water surface mirrors the sky's reflection. After orange, apply primary red for both the sky and the water. Apply gentle strokes. Work slowly. The speed of the video is increased only to save your time. You can use dark violet or black on the corners of the drawing to darken those parts. Now let us blend the colors. You can fold the tissue paper like this and press hard in circular motion or up and down motion. Experiment with blending techniques to create a smooth gradient for the sky. Circular motion or gentle strokes can work wonders. Or you can even use your fingers to blend it more smoothly. You can use more colors if required. Here is orange used again to increase vibrancy. Now both the sky and water needs more red. I like using fingers, but it feels a little pain. Now I am using red both in the sky and on the water. use more red. Now here is use orange again. Here you can use a 10B pencil to define the distant tree line or the connection between the left and the right part of the painting. Now use black for the hills and blend it smoothly with your fingers or by any means. Use more black to darken. You can use a paper stamp to smoothen and blur the edges. Use white for highlights on the dark hills. Blend them where necessary. To enhance the sunset's beauty, add some silhouettes. Trees and birds are popular choices, but feel free to get creative. Use 10B pencil or a black pastel alternatively. Lastly, refine your artwork by adding highlights and blending where necessary. This step will bring your sunset to life. Use white for highlights or on the ripples of water. Now draw a few birds on the sky to fill up the empty space. Lift the paper tape from the sun and around the paper also. More highlights. Lifting the paper tape from around the paper. Congratulations! You have created a stunning sunset scene using oil pastels. I hope you enjoyed this art lesson for beginners. Thank you for watching. Happy painting!